Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to add mixed fractions. Now there are two steps in solving this. Now you have already seen in part 8 how to add fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions. And in today's lecture you will learn how to add mixed fractions. Now as I said, there are two steps. The first step is change the mixed fractions into improper fractions. And the second step will be adding the whole and the fractions individually. So let's jump in and see how to change the mixed fractions into improper fractions. See, we have taken two examples. So let's try out the first example. See, this is 3 whole 5 by 8 plus 4 whole 7 by 8. Now as you can see, these are mixed fractions, all right, but the denominators are same. Got it? So in solving this, it will not be a problem. As we know, in earlier lectures, we have seen that mixed fractions are represented in such a way. Q is the quotient, R is the remainder, and D is the denominator or the divisor. Now, how to, revert back to improper fractions? Now, we know we have to multiply this one, Q into D. We have to add the result with the remainder divided by the D. So let's convert them into improper fractions. Now once we convert this, so 8 3s are 24 plus 5 is 29, so 29 by 8 plus 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 7 is 39, so 39 by 8. Now you know how to add the like fractions or like denominators. So denominators remains the same, and we'll just add the numerator. So adding this to numerator, it becomes 68. Got it? Now if there is an issue of simplifying it, you need to simplify. So there is a common factors between the numerators and denominators. So go ahead and simplify it. So let's divide this by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. This 2 4s are 8. Again it will be divided by 2. So this will be 217 and this will be 2. So the answer is 17 by 2. Now again revert this back into mixed fractions. 17 by 2 is an improper fraction again. So convert this into a mixed fractions. So if you convert this, 17 divided by 2 is 8 2s are 16. So 1. So 1 will be, so 8 will be the quotient, 1 will be the remainder, and 2 will be the denominator. Got it? So it's a very simple way. Again, let's see another example where the denominators are not same, that is unlike denominators. So change these mixed fractions into improper fractions again, as we have seen in the earlier example. So 4 4s are 16 plus 3 is 19, so it's 19 by 4. So 8 1s are 8 plus 6 is 14 by 8. Now simple, just what you need to do? You need to find out the LCM of 4 and 8. So LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Got it? Now convert this individual fractions into like fractions, as we have learned in the earlier classes. So in order to do so, what we'll do? So we will convert this. So we'll multiply this to make it LCM 2. Hence the numerator has to be multiplied by 2 also. So this is 38 by 8. Again 14 by 8 will remain as 14 by 8 as the denominator is already 1. Denominator is already 8. So you do not have to make it an LCM because the denominator is the LCM. So now add this one and this one. So 38 by 8 plus 14 by 8, that is equal to, so that is equal to 482 314 52 by 8. So this is 52 by 8. Now 52 by 8, convert this back into convert this back into mixed fraction. So that becomes what? 6 4 by 8. Now there is again, you can simplify this here also, or you can simplify here also. So I will simplify here. So this becomes 6.5. Got it? So sorry. So this is how to add mixed fractions when we change into improper fractions. Got it? Now let's see the next step. Adding the whole and fractions individually. Got it? Adding the whole and the fractions individually. Now this will, reduce the step a little bit. This will, so we have been doing what? We have been converting this into like fractions, then we are adding it, or we are converting this into improper fractions and adding it. Yes, we are going to do it, but in a very faster way. See, we need to add the whole part first and then the fractional part later. So see, we have taken two examples. 3 and 4 will add this up first. So these are the whole. So these are the whole. We'll add them up, and we'll add the fractions separately. So we are individually adding the whole and the fractions. So 5 by 8 plus 7 by 8. Got it? So this is 3 plus 4 is 7, right? And this one will be 5 plus 7, 12 by 8. Now I can actually what? I can simplify this here. 12 by 8 can be simplified, or I can write simply 7 12 by 8, and I can simplify this. But see, 12 by 8 is what? 12 by 8 I can write, see, 12 by 8 I can write what? In mixed fractions I can write 8, okay, and 1 whole 4 by 8 is 12 by 8. So 1 is another whole, so I need to add here, because this means what? This means this 1 4 by 8. So 7 12 by 8 changes into 7 plus 1, and 4 by 8 remains. So what it becomes? So it becomes 8 4 by 8. Got it? Now you can simplify this. So result is 8.5. Got it? And the second one is, see, in the same way you can do it, but there are different denominators or unlike denominators. So start in a simple way. Start adding the whole and then separately add the fraction. So this is 5, okay, and the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8, and if I want to make 4 as 8, I need to multiply 2 in the denominator, hence I need to multiply 2 in the numerator. So it becomes 3 2s are 6, and the 6 remains as 6 here because the denominator is 8. So 6 plus 6, so it becomes 5 plus 12 by 8. Simple. Now 5 plus 12 by 8. See, 12 by 8 means what? We have just learned 12 by 8 is what? 1 4 by 8, right? So I need to add 1 with 5 and 4 by 8. So 6 4 by 8. So let's simplify this. So it becomes 6.5. Got it? So this is the two way that we can solve how to add mixed fractions. The first one is change the mixed fractions into improper fractions, and the second one is adding the whole and the fractions individually. So whatever is best suited for you, you can apply them, okay? Or you can apply a trick. I'll teach you a trick. So you can apply a trick. What is the trick? See, so we'll take a problem 4 3 by 4 plus 1 6 by 8. Got it? So see, 4 plus 1 is 5. So we'll straight away write 5. Got it? And see here, what is this? Different denominators. So let's find out the LCM. The LCM will be 8. So we'll write 8 here. Got it? Now this is I need to change this into LCM, so multiply 2 in the denominator, hence we'll multiply 2 in the numerator also. So 3 into 2 is 6. So 6 plus 6, the 6 remains as 6 here. So this becomes 5, 12 by 8. Now see, 12 by 8, right? So it's an improper fraction. So 8 ones are, as we know that 12 by 8 is 1 4 by 8. So you do not need to actually multiply and see it, right? So 8 ones are 8, right? It will, maximum it will go for 1. So 8 ones are, so add 1 with 5. So 5 plus 1, you subtract 8 from 12, that will be your numerator 4, and keep the denominator same. So this one will be 6, 4 by 8. Now you simplify half, so 6.5. So in a one line you will be able to solve the addition. So you can apply the trick, but you need to practice it so that you can add the mixed fractions in one line. Okay, so I think you have followed today's lecture. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment box. In the next class we'll start subtraction of fractions. Okay, so thanks for watching, students. Have a great day. Bye bye.